We are here with Sabaton. We've got devil dogs. Let's get it cracking. Devil dogs. That's the, is it the Marines? Marines. Alright, let's continue. Let's go.
Until now, they're mainly observing. There in the wheat fields in a small piece of land is a battle that will write history. Five times attacked, and the 5 times repelled, and the 6th time they managed to break the line. Out of their core, and a part of their law, the deadliest weapon on earth. Kill, fight, die, that's what your soldiers should do. Trouble the game, learning their name. They were the devil dogs in a war machine. They were the USA Marines. Dogs lead ahead and attack through the lead. Put a test at the Battle of Bellow. Clearing the forest and advance through the trees. It's the end of the war that's in sight. Hill 1 for 2, it's a final breakthrough. It's the key to controlling the battlefield. Second to none, a Marine and a gun. And the tools are running fair of their name.
Song's intense.
Kill, fight, die, that's what your soldiers should do. Top of the game, learning their name. They were the devil dogs in a war machine. They were the USA Marines. In times they are needed, sometimes they appear. When a leader's fallen, a hero arrives and is vital, lost into glorious deeds that would give them a name that live on to this day. When in times they are needed, sometimes they appear. When a leader's fallen, a hero arrives and is vital, lost into glorious deeds that would give them a name that live on to this day. Come on, you sons of bitches! Do you wanna live forever?
Alright. Time out. So the history of the devil dog term came from Germans? Let's read a bit of this because it's going by a little quick. One of the first moments USA were fighting in the Great War. They fought so fierce that Germans called them, I don't know how to say that, but devil dogs. Until today, the U.S. Marines are often called devil dogs. The deadliest weapon on Earth is a Marine and his rifle. Alright, let's continue. Yeah, Tommy Johansson's from Sabaton, yeah.
Second to none, a Marine and a gun. Letting hell as they're fighting like dogs for war. Out of their core, and a part of their law. The deadliest weapon on earth. Kill, fight, die, that's what your soldiers should do. Top of the game, learning their name. They were the devil dogs in a war machine. They were the USA, and since then they are the devil dogs of war. And the novel ways of the USA Marines.
Interesting.
Ready for action.
So it's a little interesting because isn't Sabaton, aren't they not from the US? Isn't Sabaton not from the US? And so it makes me wonder, is this a cover? Did they just do a cover? Who originally created Devil Dogs? Or is this Sabaton's song? Song, Devil Dogs, artist, Sabaton. The Great War. Is Sabaton from the US? I thought they were from a different country. Any comment? No? Hero? Interesting. All right, well, hey, that was Sabaton, Devil Dogs. Good little song for the Marines. All right. If you like what you heard here, I will link Sabaton in the description below. All right, show them some love. They got Tommy Johansson in the gang. All right. If you don't know Tommy Johansson, go look him up. All right. Yeah. Hey, if you're new here, consider hitting subscribe. Hold on. Yeah, Swedish metal band, but they focus on military history. Okay, okay. Yeah, because I was gonna say, man, they're paying homage to the U.S. Marines, I guess. Even though they're not from the U.S. So I was like, that's pretty cool, I guess, you know. But yeah, they focus on military history. That's cool. All right, yeah. Well, anyways, I'm out of here. On to the next reactions. I'll see you there. All right, hit that subscribe button. All right. I'll see you in the next ones.